For our group's presentation on emerging technology, we will be discussing self-driving cars. Some background first. What is a self-driving car? They are autonomous vehicles that have the ability to sense the environment around it and travel between locations independent of input. They incorporate various technologies to do this, and there are 5 different levels by which automation is measured. But how do they work? Self-driving cars use 3 main types of sensors to see the world around them: cameras, radar, and LiDAR. The data from these sensors is fed into powerful onboard computers that act as the car's brain. These computers then use AI and machine learning to interpret the data, predict behavior, and make decisions. Using this information, self-driving cars can build real-time maps, plan routes, and avoid obstacles.
Self-driving cars can create value for businesses in many different ways. They can automate processes, such as by running public transportation systems, which would eliminate the need for human bus, taxi, and shuttle drivers. They also can democratize data by making information more accessible through the use of their sensors and sharing that information with public officials to make the streets safer for drivers. They also can reduce user friction by allowing people without a driver's license due to age or physical disabilities to get on the road and travel places more easily.
So how can self-driving cars transform organizations? To start in the automobile industry, new automakers like Google, Tesla, and Apple are breaking into spaces previously owned by Ford, GM, Jeep, etc. Also, there's going to be decreased private ownership of cars, especially in urban areas where people don't want to own cars necessarily. Across other industries, such as auto insurance, companies such as Allstate, Geico, and Progressive will see their bottom lines decrease as rates decrease due to less accidents. And then in other job markets, trucking, ride-hailing, and delivery jobs could decrease, while jobs like engineers, data scientists, and maintenance specialists will increase.
A practical application of autonomous cars is in delivery and shipping fields. A company like Amazon will certainly be affected by the transition as their business processes require the shipment of goods to facilities and customers. Now the industry is one that requires manual labor and is heavily regulated. However, with autonomous drivers, the human element can be eliminated. This can have many positive effects, including value creation through 24/7 operations, allowing for more shipping orders and driving time, and through facilitating digital transformation, namely more accessible data to be used both within and outside of deliveries.
Looking to the future, the success of self-driving cars depends on a few keys, including advanced sensor technology, regulatory frameworks that enable their use, infrastructure support, public trust and acceptance, and general cost reduction in self-driving cars. A few potential barriers to their success are technological limitations, regulatory hurdles, cybersecurity concerns, ethical dilemmas, and infrastructure costs. Overall, their success hinges on a delicate balance between technological innovation, regulatory adaptation, and societal acceptance, with the potential to revolutionize transportation if key challenges are overcome.